Yo, what is up everybody, and in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Instagram account without knowing your password. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm gonna be showing you. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And let's get into the video. So remember, when you're deleting your Instagram account, all your information of your Instagram will be deleted. You guys cannot recover it. Now remember, you have to wait for 30 days before deleting your account. Your account will be temporarily disabled for 30 days before actually being deleted. Now these 30 days are the time period given to you by Instagram. So if you guys change your mind and you guys want your Instagram account back, you guys can just log in into your Instagram account before those 30 days and you'll get back your account. But if you don't log in into your account, then it will be deleted. So that's basically the gist of it. Now I'm going to be showing you how you guys can delete your account without knowing the password. So first, you want to come to your Instagram, you want to go to your profile over here, you want to click on this three line, and you want to go to where it says settings, and on setting you want to scroll down and click on where it says help over here. You want to click on help and you want to click on help center. Now it will take you to your Instagram's help center website. Wait for some time. Now once you're over here, you want to search for delete account and you want to choose delete your account. After you search for delete your account, it's going to show you these three options, and from these three options you want to click on the second one. How do I delete my Instagram account? Once you're over here, you want to scroll down, and on scroll down you want to click on delete your account, which is in number 1. Click on delete your account. Now you want to choose Chrome from over here, Chrome or any other search engine which your phone provides you. Now over here you want to choose any reason for why you want to delete your account. I'm going to go for something else. It basically doesn't matter, you can choose whichever you want. Now as you guys can see, it shows you over here re-enter your password, which means I need to enter my password before I delete my Instagram account, right? But I don't know my password, so how can I do it? There's a small forget password button over here. You can click on that forget password button to reset your password of your Instagram. Now over here you want to enter email, phone number or username, whichever thing you used when you created your Instagram account. You want to enter it, then it's gonna send a login link to that phone number or email, whichever thing you entered. And you want to go to your SMS if it is your phone number, and you want to go to your email if it is your email, and click on that link and it'll take to a page where you can reset your password and then reset your password. After resetting your password, you can come back to the page and enter your new password over here. After entering your new password over here, you just want to click on this delete button, and over here you just need to wait for 30 days. For 30 days it will be temporarily locked, and after 30 days if you don't relog in into your Instagram account, it will be deleted. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can delete your Instagram account without knowing your password. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe button to our channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day and goodbye.